We've got Jenny Meadows, world 800-metre medalist down on the infield. Jenny, what did you make of that men's 400? Hannah, that one had everything. Michael Norman, we all wanted to see him get that gold medal around his neck. Like you say, so many stories. I've got to say Matthew Hudson-Smith. Exactly what you said, Hannah. So many young athletes, when you think it's never going to go my way, he's been so talented, promised so much. He's physically been able to do it, but he's really honest. He said mentally he's really struggled. He doesn't believe he's there. He doesn't believe he would be able to get on a podium. It's so nice to see those raw emotions when an athlete finally achieves that. And I think we've never needed an instant medal moment so much as we did. All those three men getting those medals, absolutely wonderful to see.
Norman goes off for a whole array of interviews, and this time he will love the sound of the questions. It's not why didn't you deliver, it's congratulations. The greatest moment of his young career so far, and now that he has got his first global title, I just wonder how many more will come.
And he was under pressure, Michael Norman. So often he's been unchallenged. USA's, he ran away from everybody. Prefontaine Diamond League, he ran away from everybody. A slight bit of pressure from Matt Hudson-Smith in the semi-finals yesterday, but that didn't really matter. This was the big occasion for Michael Norman, and he had as much company as he's had all season as they came off the band. Kirani James had pulled up on his inside. Matt Hudson-Smith was running supremely well to hold him off. See Jesse Knight and Amy Eloise Marco's there. The British team, Marina Armstrong, no emotion as Matt Hudson-Smith powered himself down the home straight. But Michael Norman just found a tiny bit extra here in those crucial last 20 metres. No one can begrudge a champion when they've come such a long way over so many years. Michael Norman, see that relaxation, that focus, that takes mental composure to say don't strain, don't reach for this. Take yourself away from the moment and the occasion and just execute what you've done time and time again in training. And he did that supremely.
And that was the moment that Hudson-Smith had absolute proof by seeing his name on the big screen that he had unequivocally got himself the bronze medal. That was a fine run from Norman. It's not the quickest we've ever seen from him, but definitely the most significant. He's a global champion.
Confirmed result there. Michael Norman squeezing out 0.2 of a second in the closing metres over Kirani James. Matthew Hudson-Smith of Great Britain, Northern Ireland picking up the third position and a bronze medal. Tristan Allison fourth. Ray Van Niekerk. What a return to form for the world record holder. What a rematch between some of those athletes as we look towards the Commonwealth Games.
Well, Norman hit top speed pretty early. Fascinating to see how his graph compares to James, because halfway down this home straight they were just about side by side, but Norman had a tiny bit more stamina just in the last 25 metres, and that's, I think, the reason that this gold will be so satisfying, because James was right up with him, and the Grenadian is so strong and experienced. Norman could easily have wilted. He didn't. He produced the greatest moment he's ever done.
And especially when the years that Michael Norman's come off, to not be replaying that in your mind when you've got all those men around you, to have that composure, to put that to one side and not capitulate and get tense and stressed. Really impressive mentally and physically from Michael Norman.
Right. There is one last act of drama to round off day 8. We've had the women's 4, we've had the men's 4, now it's time for the women's 400-metre hurdles. We will get to this in just a moment. There is a very quick clarification as to who's made it through for what we hope will be a spine-tingling pole vault final. Well, you would definitely want Mondo Duplantis there and Chris Nielsen. They are the two best throwers, the two best vaulters in the world this year. Tiago Braz, the former Olympic champion, making it through. And so too Sondra de Thomsen and Lille Foss. So we've got great Norwegian representation in that final. Mondo Duplantis, though, will be the overwhelming favourite. Such an atmosphere here in the stadium. The crowd have already been treated to two memorable 400 finals. And there's one more to come. Sidney McLaughlin absolutely loves this stadium. World record in the US Champs last year. World record in the US Champs this year. She has looked supreme in the heats and the semis. Could she go even faster and close in on 51 seconds? Just to put this in context, if you're relatively new to athletics, 51.41 would be a very, very good international standard PB for the 400 flat. And she's doing it over the barriers. But she's not the only star in this race. We have both other medalists from last year. The woman on the lane outsider is the defending champion. The woman on the lane insider, Femke Bol, is the Olympic bronze medalist. Bol is undefeated 7 out of 7 this year. McLaughlin is undefeated 7 out of 7 this year. So, hold your breath. Time to focus, time to deliver. Bol has been superb this season. And how well did she run to bring the Dutch through for the next relay silver? It was a magnificent leg. But she needs all her flat speed and her hurdling prowess if she is to dethrone Sidney McLaughlin.